Good morning. Hello. Welcome to the weather update. It's a little after 8 o'clock, April 13th, 2020, and we're just going to go over the radar and current conditions across the area. We have some heavy rain now moving into the area, and if we are to look now, AccuWeather is down. We try to get the radar from AccuWeather. We get a gateway timeout. So we're not getting AccuWeather radar, so we'll have to look at the Weather Service radar. And you can see here, this is the line here going all the way down into Florida. This squall line is very intense, and it's moving through Carolina right now. Carolinas, and you can see the tongue of moisture that's just going up the entire East Coast here. It's just incredible. The other thing, of course, is the wind. So we're going to, well, before I get to that, let's look at lightning strikes. We do have some lightning going on off the Jersey Shore, and some on Delmarva too. But the worst of it is over the Carolinas. My gosh, they're getting pounded. So South Carolina in particular, just getting pounded with lightning right now. Look at all these lightning strikes that are happening right now in the Carolinas. The Carolina coast, South Carolina around Charleston. Just an incredible amount of lightning this is only the morning now. This line's moving into Florida now, so you can see how well defined this squall line is. It's really incredible, and there is a decent amount of lightning off to the south. This is probably going to move into our area. So let's go look at some of the observations. You can see this thing is just lit up. We've got multiple tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado watches. So far, no extension of the tornado watch into our area. We've got some flash flood warnings. Just unbelievably stormy here. We're going to look at some of the observations here. And looks like right now we're seeing wind gusts not too terrible, but here's one that has a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust. High wind warning is now in effect until 6 p.m. With a wind gust up to 40 off the shore here, but nothing too bad yet. But as we make our way south, closer to the storm, and where the front is, you can see some wind gusts in Delmarva up into the mid-40s. And this is the area that has all the warnings in it. So, not seeing anything right now as far as what the model said with the wind gusts peaking, but we're not at the peak yet. That's not supposed to happen until noon, when we're going to start seeing those winds ramp up across our area. You can see temperatures are on the upper 50s to around 60. But this is some really juiced up air that's moving through the area. So you can see even here, dew points are in the 50s. Close to 60 in New Jersey. You have dew points in the 60s over Delmarva. And then as we work our way south, you can see this is the kind of air mass that we're dealing with here. Some really just soupy tropical air. That's just fueling these storms. Just incredible to see. It really is just incredible to see. Let's go to the power outages, because this also, I have never seen the map lit up like this. So many people without power. These are the top areas. Carolina's now in the lead. 255,000 and 806 people without power in South Carolina and North Carolina. It's 243,013. In Georgia, it's 146,550. Alabama, 140. But I mean, it's just an incredible amount of power outages in the Carolinas, and Florida is now lit up. Texas is still lit up. Arkansas, Mississippi. Just an incredible amount of power outage. Probably over at least 1 million now without power, probably. If we were to look at the Twitter feed for this site, you will see here 1.1 million customers are without power right now. So, and it's probably going to go up to 5 million when this is all said and done. With all that's going on, we have this. So the hardest hit states as far as the power outages go, we'll go over them right now. So we'll work our way from Alabama on eastward here. So you can see just certain parts of the counties certain areas are hit very hard. Montgomery hit very hard. Um, and then we got to go over the severe threat too, because there was a number of tornadoes too. Bless. It's just allergies. Now, once this rain comes, it's going to wash a lot of that pollen away. Um, it is raining, but the pollen is still, around inside. But the pollen should get knocked down for a little bit. I know it's been very high the past couple of days. You can see Georgia, the northern part, seems to have a lot of outages. Let's go look at the Carolinas. I can't go over every single area because it's just so bad. Let's look at South Carolina here. Wow. Some areas are almost completely out in the red here. That's incredible. Let's go look at North Carolina. 204. Unbelievable. Look at this. So North Carolina, some areas getting hit hard too. So it's incredible to see this happening. It really is just incredible. Okay, so now I want to go to the severe weather. SPC. And we're going to go to SPC now and look at the latest map for our area. Let's see, I don't know if I can make this larger or not, this map here. Let's see if I can make it larger. No. Okay, so this is the map here that has us. It has that slight risk of severe weather. We're marginal. There's definitely a chance, and enhanced along where that line is right there. That is enhanced all the way up from Florida Panhandle all the way up through the Carolinas into parts of Virginia in the enhanced risk there for severe weather, which is just incredible. So if we look at the and there's tornado watches and tornado, there's a lot of stuff going on. So let's go to the convective outlooks here for today. So this is the one that we need to look at here, the day one convective outlook, and you can see here the enhanced risk all the way up through there, and then the slight. So this whole area, even parts of New Jersey, and we're in the marginal range here. But I would say anywhere in this yellow or orange, there's a good chance you're going to see some severe thunderstorms today. And I wouldn't be surprised if this watch is extended. I would not be surprised if it's extended further, in my opinion. I think it very well may be extended. Now let's go look at, there was a tornado. Let's go look at the latest with tornado watch. This is tornado watch 118. There was one other feature I wanted to actually get to on here that doesn't seem to want to list now. It was on here before. It was basically a look at all the tornadoes that have hit. Let's see, tornado watch summary. No, that's not it. I don't know where it went. It was here before, and now it's not popping up. There's a whole list of tornadoes here. I don't know where it went. I don't know where it went. It's not over here. There should be, yeah, for whatever reason, there was a whole list of the tornadoes, the amount of tornadoes, and I don't know, it's not on the site right now, so I don't know what happened. I'm not going to hold this up here, but there was a list of the amount of tornadoes that were up here, but it's gone. So I don't know. It was there and now it's gone, and I don't know where it is. So I'm sorry if I can't find it for you. It was there earlier. I promise you it was, but it has disappeared. There was a list of all the tornadoes that were being spawned by this outbreak today. And now it's gone. So I'm trying to find it, but honestly, it's gone. So I don't know what happened to it, guys. I'm sorry. That's going to wrap up this update. I wish I could feel like an idiot because it was here. It was here. It really was here. But it's gone. It was in this area right here, and now it's just disappeared. So that's just very weird. Uh, this is the SPC NOAA.gov site, um, and it's gone. It's very weird. You know what? There is another site we can use. Hold on. It was the tornado. What was it called? Tornado index. Something like this. I don't remember what the site was. Tornado tracking. Maybe we could go to tornado tracker or something like that. I just wanted to show you how many tornadoes that have been. Tornado HQ. That's the site. Okay, Tornado HQ. So this is another site. SPC just whatever reason decided to remove the information about all the tornadoes that are happening. But this is what's going on right now. We have 4 tornado warnings in effect. You can see all these warnings. It gives you a list. This is tornadohq.com. Let's see if it's got a list of all the tornadoes that have been. You can see all the tornadoes. I think there were like 50 or 60 tornado warnings that had popped up. And SPC took that from the site. I don't know. It was on SPC and it disappeared. So there's obviously some censorship going on because it was there when I checked early this morning, overnight. But anyway, that's going to wrap up this update on this severe weather. Again, I'll keep you posted.